मैं दीपा जी की जो सेंसिबिलिटी है, दीपा जी के जो फिल्म मेकिंग का स्टाइल है, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस टाइप की पिक्चरें हिंदुस्तान आएँ, क्योंकि अगर ये पिक्चरें हिंदुस्तान में लोग नहीं देखेंगे तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हम मिस करेंगे।
This is not at all like Provoked. I've seen Provoked, and I think the difference is that they're different stories. It's like saying all love stories are the same. They're not, And yes, there is a part of Videsh which is about abuse, but Videsh is, for me, a film about what it's like for working class immigrants to leave their country, everything that they're familiar with, leave their milieu, leave their extended families, specifically in this case, young women who come from tiny towns and villages in India, go to Canada to get married and have no support system at all.
एक अरेंज मैरिज में वहाँ जाके एक ऐसे आदमी के साथ उसकी अरेंज मैरिज होती है जिससे उसने कभी देखा नहीं है, जिसके बारे में कुछ जानती नहीं है। एंड इट इज़ हर स्टोरी अबाउट self-discovery, about living in Canada and a lot more things. But if you really want to know more about the movie, then you should go to the theatres on 27th March because Videsh is releasing on 27th March.
मुझे इस पिक्चर में दो तीन चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगी। एक तो बेसिकली द आइडिया के हम जो कहते हैं कि बाहर जाओ, ये सोचे समझे बगैर कि बाहर जाके क्या होगा, बिल्कुल एक जो यंग लड़की होती है वो यहाँ से निकलती है बिल्कुल अंधेधुन, उसको कुछ पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा, एंड वो समझती है कि दैट इज़ हेवन ऑन अर्थ, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो हेवन ऑन अर्थ नहीं है।
Preeti was my first and only choice for Chand, and I'd like to say for the record, I think it was amazing working with her, and one of the highlights of my life, and Parade. She's extremely hardworking. She takes direction really well. She does her homework for a character, and she asks questions. She's a thinking actor, which for me as a director is icing on the cake, and it was delightful working with her. And as you'll see, her performance will blow you away, as it's done the rest of the world.
I think I would definitely say that it's redefined me as an actor. I wouldn't say it's a defining role for me, but I would like to say that Videsh for sure playing Chand redefined me as an actor. It was a new door for me, and I'm very, very proud of it. When the film screened in Toronto for the film festival, so many people came to me who were not Indians, of course, but they said, "Oh, you're an actress from India. Where have you been hiding all these years? We didn't even know that you could do something like this." So it felt fantastic that, of course, people in India know me, and even to them, there were lots of Indians who were there who saw the film and they said, "Wow, this is so not you." And I think that's the greatest compliment to an actor.
देखिए बेसिकली हम ये लोगों को ये बिकॉज ये बेसिकली हिंदी और पंजाबी पिक्चर है, ये कोई इंग्लिश पिक्चर नहीं है। हम ये चाहते थे लोगों को ये पता लगे कि ये एक हिंदी पिक्चर है। देखिए विदेश का मतलब है, हम समझते हैं विदेश इज़ हेवन ऑन अर्थ। कहानी वो है कि एक लड़की एक आदमी को मिली नहीं है, हम उसको भेज देते हैं, शादी करवा देते हैं, ये सोचते हैं कि भाई बाहर जाएंगे तो ज़िंदगी सब फर्स्ट क्लास हो जाएगी। होता भी कहीं कहीं ये भी होता भी है, मगर बहुत केसेस ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे वो लड़की को वो सब कुछ नहीं मिलता जो वो सोचती है जो जाके मिलेगा। तो बेसिकली क्योंकि ये बात एक विदेश की बात है, विदेश जो हम सोचते हैं कि इज़ मच बेटर देन इंडिया, वो दिस इज ब्रेकिंग दैट मिथ, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.